Hola everybody, welcome back. If y'all are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Sam on Demand, and I was given that nickname my freshman year of college, so yeah. Anyways, you should totally go check out some of the videos I have posted. I do challenges, I do lookbooks, I post like monthly favorites. I do a lot of stuff actually. I do a lot of DIYs too. But if this is your first video to watch of mine, then that's fantastic, because today we're doing a vlog, and I have been vlogging my day so far. And before I go, me and Denny are gonna go for a drive, and then we may go to Starbucks because I have been tempted and I never leave the house. So the only time I really leave is if I'm gonna go pick up food from like one place, and that's really about it. Like, I only get food, pick it up, and only go through a Starbucks drive-thru. So I only go to like 3 places outside of my apartment. So yeah, so that's the plan so far, and I will see y'all when I get back. You feeling this, huh? This song? You like the song? Alright y'all, yes, I'm in the same spot as I started this video. I'm back now. I ended up getting a matcha green tea latte. It's cold. I only drink 2 drinks at Starbucks. Do not call me a Starbucks girl, because I do not meet that stereotype. I rarely go. I haven't gone in 2 weeks, and I would only go as a kind of break from work. So yeah. And actually, I'm about to eat lunch. For breakfast I had cereal. It's like, what is it? I had blueberry Chex. And for lunch I'm having a matcha tea, as I just mentioned, and a salad that consists of was it chicken, iceberg lettuce, I think there's some spinach in here, sunflower kernels, did I say chicken already? And craisins, dried craisins. So, oh yeah, with light Catalina salad dressing. So that's my lunch, kind of healthy day. I don't know, like blueberry Chex, I think that's healthy in my opinion. But yeah, we're just going for a healthy day. Earlier today I was working on editing some videos. So great stuff coming soon. Great stuff, hopefully. Let's keep this rhythm going before it gets cut again. But I've been watching Orange is the New Black, and I'm only on season 2. Nobody told me that it was like 8 or 9 seasons long. I know this was like a super popular show a while ago, but I never really got to watch it until now. And I'm very slow at watching TV shows because I watch more movies than actual TV shows. So far it's not that bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat, and then I think just today we're just kind of just chilling, and I'm not gonna work on my school assignments yet. I will do that probably at the end of this vlog, so y'all don't have to see schoolwork because this stuff's boring. But I am gonna show y'all how to make an easy hand-drawn homemade DIY card. So that's kind of the plan today. I know, weird vlog slash DIY, but thought it'd be cool. So I'm gonna eat and I'll come back. Alright, so the materials we're gonna use are pens, or if you have colored pencils you can use those too. I have both. And I'm gonna be using paper from my mixed media notebook. You can also use printer paper or construction paper, but I just like using this paper because it's sturdy and it like holds up really well. So that's basically the kind of materials we're going to be using. Super quick, super easy, and I already gotten a piece out to get started. So let's start this DIY. Alright, so all I did was I took a piece of paper out of here. They have these like little creases on the top that you could rip easily out. So I took one out. And this is the full size, I fold it in half so it gives you front, middle, and a back. And for this one, I'm going to be doing a happy birthday card. And so you can do kind of like any design if you'd like. It's pretty fun, pretty chill. I usually do these while I'm watching TV. And so I wish I had a camera from like the other side. But I'm going to write happy birthday on here. Or, yeah. So I'm going to write happy birthday. And then I'm going to do like a little design on the front. And then I'm going to show y'all it. So I just finished sketching, well, writing. I was like holding the camera, which I'm recording with my phone right now, while trying to do this. So I'm like holding onto the pop socket like this, and the camera's right here. So this footage may not be good. And my wording is usually better when I do this stuff without having to hold a camera. So this is just me like kind of showing y'all how to do a card. And then like I'm gonna have like all the cards that I'm gonna make and show y'all them when they're not being like wiggled around while trying to hold a camera and draw. But so far I have the happy birthday, and usually I'd have the happy in the middle, but I just explained the whole situation. But now I'm gonna sketch something to go in the middle of the card, and then and then I'm gonna show y'all through how I was holding my camera. I'm going to like be drawing what like the little sketch marks I make, like outlining, let's call it outlining. And then we're gonna do the inside. We're gonna put in a cute little message like a regular greeting card would. And that's basically what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna do the main design in the front. Alright, so now we have the front done, and as y'all just saw, I had done the middle, which this one says, "You are simply the best, better than all the rest," because it is for my grandfather's birthday in a couple days. And so the next step is to just color everything, and I'm not going to be using pens anymore. I decided I'm just instead going to be using my colored pencils. And so let's start coloring. The card is complete. I am gonna explain the whole thing again real quick. So I did a happy birthday on the front with balloons and presents, and then on the inside I put in a little lyric and then there's nothing on the end, but people can sign it now. Oh my god, if y'all remember my mom from the yoga challenge fail video, she was the one filming it and the one scaring me at the end. She likes to pop in from time to time. What? Do you want to do a video with me?
Nope.
One day?
Nope.
What if I get comments on people wanting to see?
Nope.
I'll get her to get in a video one day for y'all. It'll happen one day. But I hope y'all enjoyed this fun little DIY drawing your own card, especially since we're in a time where we can't go shopping and stuff really. but I'm just gonna cue the footage of some of my other cards, and I will see y'all for the next video.